Gulf Wind Technology really work in both the onshore wind and the offshore wind space around rotor technology. We pride ourselves being at the most advanced technology center for rotors in the world. Gulf Wind Technology are all about solving problems and innovating in the field of rotors. Once we've actually specified a problem statement, we'll come up with the way that we want to actually innovate, and we want to innovate forward fast. A lot of the ways that we use the Stratasys system and the 3D printing capability is take desktop designs and get them into physical product so that we can actually get tangible testing data from our wind tunnel and our structural testing criteria.
What we've really been able to achieve with this technology is actually being able to take 3D printing and additive manufacturing and basically be able to take that design cycle or that innovation cycle almost and cut it down to 3 or 4 days, or previously it might have been 30 days, 40 days. So what we're able to do here is leverage that quick cycle time and really differentiate Gulf Wind when it comes to how quickly can we respond.
One of the reasons why I've always believed in 3D printing and additive manufacturing as an application to solving engineering problems is that it's the fastest way to get from an idea to a physical, tangible object. The primary technology that we zeroed in on was large format stereolithography, specifically for the part accuracy and the large volume. We chose the Neo 800 specifically because of its large build volume, as well as the material that it's able to print. So we chose Soma's Perform Reflect specifically for its part rigidity and part strength. One of the biggest advantages for having the Neo 800 is that our engineers are able to focus on the results and the ideas that they're trying to test and validate without having to worry about how that part's going to be made and how it's going to be manufactured. In the past, we would have used a subtractive process like CNC machining or traditional composite layup, but we specifically chose the Neo 800 and this large format stereolithography because we also needed to have integrated pressure ports and fine details into our parts.
3D printing and certainly leveraging the Stratasys system mean that we can actually generate far more data in a short space of time. Data allows us to run our process with more rigor and ultimately deliver more tangible business innovations.
Additive manufacturing is pretty new to a lot of our team members here, but this technology has been able to make them believers and more open to exploring ideas and technologies within the additive manufacturing space. It's been able to broaden a lot of people's minds as far as what's out there and being more open to different ways of doing things than what they've been used to in the past.